What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. Right here we have this nice square root math simplification problem that says the square root of 30 all raised to the power of 3 plus 40 all raised to the power of 3 plus 50 all raised to the power of 3. We are to solve for this. So right here guys, I'm going to share with you two methods that you can use to solve this right here. So guys, let's go with method 1. So the first thing guys, right here, you want to simply express 30 as 10 multiplied 3 all raised to the power of 3 plus we want to express 40 as 10 multiplied 4 all raised to the power of 3, and we want to express 50 as 10 multiplied 5 all raised to the power of 3. So this is equal to the square root of, now we can easily decide to expand this to be 10 raised to the power of 3 multiplied 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 10 raised to the power of 3 multiplied 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 10 raised to the power of 3 multiplied 5 raised to the power of 3. So from here we have 10 raised to the power of 3 to be a common term, so we are going to factor out 10 raised to the power of 3, and if we factor this out, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 3. So this is equal to the square root of 10 raised to the power of 3 of 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 is 125. So from here, this is equal to the square root of 10 raised to the power of 3 of 27 plus 64 plus 125 is going to give us 216. So this is equal to the square root of 10 raised to the power of 3 multiply. Now 216 can be expressed in terms of 6 as 6 raised to the power of 3. So this is equal to the square root of, now applying this property that says if we have a raised to the power of m multiply b raised to the power of m, this is the same thing as a multiply b all raised to the power of m. So we can easily express this in this way. So from here we have this to be 10 multiply 6 all raised to the power of 3. This is equal to the square root of 10 multiply 6 is 60 all raised to the power of 3. So this is equal to the square root of 60 raised to the power of 3 can be expressed as 60 multiply 60 multiply 60, right? So this is equal to the square root of 60 square multiply 60, and this is equal to the root of 60 square multiply the root of 60. So this is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be 60 into the root of what? 60. So from here we can easily express 60 to be 4 multiply 15. So this is equal to 60 into the root of 4 multiply 15, which is equal to 60 into the root of 4 multiply the root of 15. So from here, this is equal to 6 to the root of 4 is 2 multiply 2 into the root of 15. So this is equal to 60 multiplied 2 is 120 root 15. And this become the answer. Alright. So guys, this is the first method that you can actually use to solve this question right here. So guys, let's go on to method 2. Alright, so for method 2, you want to simply note that 30 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 27,000, and 40 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 64,000, and 50 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 125,000. So hence, putting this into the equation, we are going to have this to be the square root of 27,000 plus 64,000 plus 125,000. So this is equal to the square root of, now adding all of this together, we're going to have 216,000. And 216,000 can be expressed as 260 multiply 1,000. So from here, this is equal to the square root of 216 can be expressed in terms of 6 as 6 raised to the power of 3, multiply 1000 can be expressed in terms of 10 as 10 raised to the power of 3, right? So this is equal to the square root of 6 multiplied 10 all raised to the power of 3, which is equal to the square root of 6 multiplied 10 is 60 all raised to the power of 3. And this has become the square root of 60 raised to the power of 3 can be expressed as 60 multiplied 60 multiplied 60. So this is equal to the root of 60 square multiplied 60. So this is equal to the root of 60 square multiplied the root of 60. So this is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be 60 into the root of 60. But 60 can be expressed as 4 multiplied 15. So this is equal to 60 into the square root of 4 multiplied 15. This is equal to 60 into the root of 4 multiplied the root of 15. So this is equal to 16 multiply the root of 4 is 2, multiply the root of 15, which is equal to 16 multiplied 2 is 120. 120 multiply the root of 15, we have this to be the root of 15, and this become the final answer. So guys, this is how you can solve this question using the second method right here. So guys, we have been able to solve this nice math square root simplification problem. So guys, if you like this video and you want more mathematical solutions, please do well to tap onto the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.